What happens when a wolf meets a unicorn? Imagine a creature called the Moonshadow. It combines a wolf's strength and a unicorn's magic. The Moonshadow is large and furry with a shimmering horn on its head. Its fur is deep blue with silver spots that glow at night. This creature lives in enchanted forests near rivers, where it can protect nature. The Moonshadow has the power to control shadows, making it invisible. It can also heal plants and animals with its magic horn. Many believe if you spot a Moonshadow, good luck will follow. Would you dare to enter the forest to find one?